Ready?
You guys gonna live in the chicken coop with the chickens?
Y'all gonna be chicken people?
No. I want to.
You wanna be a chicken person? The board. Yeah, that one. Thank you, baby.
It'll be loud again here in a second, but you got a second, okay? Oh, you hand me that pencil? This one right here. Thank you. Yeah, sure am making a whole lot of noise.
Be careful, don't knock any of those boxes over, okay?
See how that's gonna fit. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright. Thank you. You're the big helpers. Both of you guys. You know that? Did you know that, Amelia? You must have known that. I think that's chicken. Yes. Yeah. Alright, it's about to be loud again. That's the whole purpose of the nail gun. That's why.
To pew nails.
Yeah, it's made to pew the nails. That will work. Yes, I knew. Alright, let's work it. Alright, so we got all of our pieces put on. I'm going to cut me a couple of wedges to hold in place here. Alright. We'll call that good for the day. Clean up and try again tomorrow.